Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Skype. To know how to fix your Skype app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of Skype. When you'll find this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click on storage. Here we click on clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Skype. When you find it, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video.